We are at Alton Towers. It's a content creator event and we like them. We love them actually. I say like them, we love them. And we are here to get some filming on Nemesis Reborn. Official filming on Nemesis Reborn, which we can't wait to do. So we're gonna head inside, it's just open for us, and we're gonna get you some footage. To get a close look at Reborn. In fact, most of the, well, I say all the track in here is of course original Nemesis track with updated trains and updated electrics. But you know we love the behind the scenes. We do actually need to come and do the behind the scenes, Cody, for this, undoubtedly. Now you've got to admit the station looks better.
It does look better.
But the station looks better, doesn't it? The station looks much nicer.
The whole theming looks better.
Yeah, I would probably argue the theming does look better of it, but it is always nice. The second train is out there as well. No, it's really not. It's weird without all the station announcements in here. And here is train 2. So Cody is on there now, getting us a video. Why we are this side as well, we never get to just sort of look around because there's always so many people in here and the attention to detail is mad. It really is mad. I think we decided that the station is much better, and a lot of people don't see the numbers 876 54321 obviously down to the front, but they are part of the vein, so not everyone spots them. I think the 4 particularly is difficult to spot. But I love the lighting in here, the full package you get. Yeah, just magnificent, it really is. And here he is back in the station. The it's going back on for another ride, and they've turned the audio on as well now, which is awesome to see. Off he goes for another ride. Now the audio's on, look, with all the flashing lights and everything. There we have it, some Nemesis footage for you and a little bit from the station as well. Apologies for any wind noise, it's quite windy here, even though it's lovely blue skies this afternoon. That is what we love it. A massive thank you to Alton Towers for inviting us, even as part of the programme. You know, we've had a really good day at the park. You can see that video up on the channel as well. But this is what we like. We like to get this kind of footage for you guys and for us. You know, and if they can accompany it, that is fantastic. Brilliant day and a brilliant afternoon here at Alton Towers. I really hope you've enjoyed it. Please drop us a like, show your appreciation and share it. It's free.